Hello friends, do you want to download Facebook videos? In this video I will tell you how you can do this. So to download any Facebook video, you have to tap on three dot and then you have to copy this link, and then friends you have to go to Chrome or Google and then you have to search FB video downloader, and then you have to click on the first link, and then friends you have to paste this link and click on download. So while downloading, please like and subscribe this channel and press the bell icon also. And friends, after a few seconds your video will be available. And friends, now you have to tap on download videos in HD quality, and then if you see any ad you have to cross this icon, and then friends after a few seconds your video will be downloaded. So I will show you. So as you can see, my video has been downloaded. So friends, if this video was helpful for you, please hit the like button and subscribe this channel and press the bell icon also.